Good morning. I was given an assignment to speak to what has been the greatest fear that has held me back from doing some of the things that I solely desire within my heart. And what I have to speak to is the thing that used to really terrify me. But before I even get into that, I just realized that, we'll say fear is false evidence appearing real. And it's very real because what happens is when you fear something, you start to build a shrine around it. You start to create instances where, see, this is real and that is real. And what I found out is what I feared most was I just felt like I wasn't the one. I couldn't sustain an organization, a team of people. I couldn't lead them. And the reason I know that was foolish is because every endeavor that I've ever done in life, I was the individual or the person or the go-to one, the resource broker, the one that kind of kept things together, kept things moving. But what happened is I could put all that energy into doing it for someone else. But when it came time for me to do it for me, I used to shriek, I used to balk, I used to say, I never said it out loud to people, but I know I used to think it like, maybe I can't do that, or I'm not the one. I'm not. It was utter foolishness. At this stage in the game, I really don't care anymore. I just don't care because to me, what happens is when you don't access or reach for your dreams, it's living a life of utter misery. You're a prisoner within your own mind, and I just don't have the energy to be a prisoner anymore. So there have been sacrifices, tremendous, in my life for the vision that I have. And so at this juncture, it's like this, sink or swim. And it ain't no such thing as sink because I know how to swim. So it's do or die. You just got to go and do it. So for me, it was that faulty thinking that was I wasn't the one, with already knowing I was the one. With freedom comes responsibility. So the responsibility lies with me. And I've come to one real clear place. And what that clear place is it's all up to me. Whether I move forward, move backward, stand still, whatever I do, it's up to me. So that's Tracy Hemingway, and I've shared with you what was my struggle.